Welcome back to AI People. Today we're talking about something super exciting. AI apps that will totally supercharge your MacBook. Whether you're into productivity, creating content, or just looking for ways to make your daily tasks smoother, these apps are going to make your life so much easier. So let's jump into it. All right, first up, Jasper. Now, if you've ever struggled with writer's block, you're gonna love this one. Jasper is like a co-writer that never runs out of ideas. Whether you're writing articles, blog posts, emails, or even social media captions, this AI tool is gonna help you get your thoughts down in no time. And the best part? It learns from your writing style, so it actually adapts to you the more you use it. I use Jasper all the time when I need to get through some content quickly. It's like having a personal assistant for writing. And if you're ever stuck, Jasper even offers rephrasing options, making it super easy to make your writing sound more polished. Next up, we've got Lumen 5. This one's for all my fellow content creators out there. So let's say you've got a script ready, but you don't have the time or skills to create a full video. That's where Lumen 5 comes in. With just a few clicks, Lumen 5 uses AI to turn your text into a video, and not just any video. It suggests scenes, adds music, and can even create animations based on what you've written. So it's kinda like having a video editor that works in the background. You can also tweak everything manually, but honestly, the AI does such a good job that you really don't need to. Alright, let's talk about Grammarly. If you're like me, you probably make a ton of typos, right? But that's where Grammarly saves the day. It's not just a spell checker, it's a full-on writing assistant that helps with everything from grammar to tone and even clarity. It works directly in your browser or on your MacBook's text apps, so you never have to worry about writing something embarrassing again. And let's be real. We've all sent an email with a typo that we really wish we hadn't. With Grammarly, you won't have that problem. I love how Grammarly not only checks for mistakes, but also helps with style. So if you want your writing to sound more professional or casual, it's got your back. Moving on to Notion. Now, if you're the type of person who needs to stay organized, and I mean, who isn't? Notion is your new best friend. It's like an all-in-one workspace that can handle everything from to-do lists to project management. But here's the kicker. Notion uses AI to actually adapt to your workflow. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. It starts to predict your needs and offers suggestions based on what you've worked on before. So, if you're like me, and you tend to juggle a million tasks at once, this app will help keep everything straight. I've even started using Notion to track my YouTube video ideas and deadlines, and it's been a total game changer. Last, but definitely not least, Fotor. If you love editing photos but don't have the time to dive deep into Photoshop, Fotor is perfect. It uses AI to instantly enhance your photos with one click. Whether you're tweaking colors, adjusting brightness, or smoothing out skin tones, Fotor does it all, and it's super fast. And the best part? You don't need to be a professional to use it. It's so user-friendly. And if you want to get really creative, you can dive into the manual adjustments, but honestly, the AI does such a great job on its own. So that's it. 5 AI apps that will seriously up your MacBook game. Whether you're writing, creating videos, managing tasks, or editing photos, these tools will make your life so much easier. Which app are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more tips on how to use AI with your Apple devices. I've got plenty more content coming your way. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Until next time, stay AI powered and keep creating.